Most people think this is hard, but if you can follow a grid, you can draw this. And I'm going to prove it, starting from just a few pixels. We're using a 32 by 32 pixel grid. This entire drawing comes from something this simple. And once you see the pattern, you won't need a guide anymore. Start right here. Place 1, 2, 3 pixels straight down. If you've never done pixel art before, don't worry. Just follow exactly where I place each block. And if you want the exact grid and color palette, I've put a free guide in the description so you can follow along. Now move over and add 2 more here. It doesn't look like much yet, but this is the foundation for the whole drawing. Add 1 here and here. You can already see the shape starting to form. Now we're going to build out the head shape. So pixel art is usually symmetrical. So if we do a certain pattern on this side, we're going to do the exact same pattern on the other side. Pixel art is all about patterns. Once you see it, everything gets easier. Right now it still looks random. But the next step is where it starts to look like Kuromi. If you're following along, this is where the guide really helps keep everything lined up. Then 1 right here. Now watch what happens when we connect this. At this point, the outline is done, and this is where it all comes together. Now we fill it. Start with the gray color and fill this entire section. Leave the face area white. So I'm using a specific color palette here, and if you want it exactly the same, it's in the free download below. So we're going to make the eyes, place a block here, then one here. Now mirror that on the other side. And this is the moment now you can actually see it. Most people stop right here, but the next part is what makes it look clean instead of messy. Add pink here, here, and here. And now we add the final details. Clean up any uneven pixels. And that's it. You just turned a few pixels into this. Once you understand the grid pattern, you can draw almost anything in pixel art. And the guide's there if you want to reuse this for practice. So I'm using Procreate to make this pixel art. But you can do it on grid paper also. If you want more step-by-step pixel art like this, I've got another one right here.